Good morning, everyone.
50 upon 7.
50 upon 7. This is an improper fraction. Convert it into the mixed fraction.
Yes, ma'am. 7 whole, 1 upon 7.
It is
Is the
not
answer.
whole.
Whole. Okay.
7 whole, 1
7
upon
whole,
7 is the right
1
answer.
upon 7.
You can check also 7 sevens are 49 plus 150 upon 7 means it's a correct answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kavisha.
Ma'am, can you again explain the
Yeah, I
mixed
will again
fraction?
explain today also. So children, as you know that we were discussing about the mixed fraction, different types of fraction we have discussed. In that there is a fraction, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means in this type of a fraction, something is in the whole and something is in the part, right? But how we show the whole and the part? Suppose there is an improper fraction given, 18 upon 4. So 18 upon 4 means what? How many whole is there in this and how many part is in this? So what we do is we divide it 4 with the 18, 18 with the 4. So 4 fours are, quotient is 4 fours are 16, and when we subtract, the remainder is 2. So whatever is your remainder, when remainder is coming, then definitely your answer will come in the whole numbers. If remainder is not coming, then your answer will not come in the part, it will be completely in the wholes. Right? In suppose in case of 18, it was 16, then your answer will come 4 wholes. 4 fours are 16, nothing will in the remainder. But if something is in the remainder, your answer will be in the fraction. Like I will show you in this way. The remainder will go up as the numerator. The denominator will same at its own place, and your quotient will be here in the wholes. So we read it as 4
Ma'am, your
whole, and screen is blurred.
4 fours are 16 plus 2 18.
Just a
Ma'am,
minute.
can you repeat it again
Yeah, I
because
will repeat.
network issues. Ma'am, so 4 fours are 16 plus 2 18.
Yes. So we can check it 4 fours are 16 plus 2 18 upon 4. Your answer is correct. Right? So what does this mean? 4 whole 2 upon 4 means 4 whole pizza you have eaten, and from the fifth pizza you have eaten 2 parts. And there were total 5 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 pizza, because your answer was 4 whole 2 upon 4. So 4 means each pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. Whatever is your denominator means the parts are that much parts. 4 equal parts. So there were 4 equal parts, 4 whole pizzas eaten. This pizza, this, and this. 4 whole pizzas eaten. From the fifth one, 2 parts have eaten. Got it, everyone? From the fifth one, 2 parts of eaten means how many, if you say practically, how many 4.5 pizza is eaten? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If I give you this mixed fraction in this way, 3 whole 2 upon 3. Navya, what does this mean? आप इसका क्या मतलब समझ में आता है आपको? Navya, what does this
2,
mean?
3,
3
2,
2 upon 3. So what,
3,
how you
2,
will read this? 3 whole
3
2
whole
upon 3. So if it is 3 whole 2 upon 3, mean how many whole pizzas you have eaten? Children, but you know why I always use the pizza in the fraction?
Ma'am,
Because
can I
you
say?
can easily remember. It can be with the chocolates, it can be with the chapati, it can be
Ma'am,
with
can I
anything.
say how many pizzas?
Yeah, how many whole pizzas?
7.
No, my dear. This number is your whole
3,
pizza.
ma'am, 3.
3 whole. And with the fourth, how many parts you have eaten from the fourth pizza?
Pizza.
Ma'am, 2.
Two. And each pizza, total there were 4 pizza. 3 pizzas were whole, and this is about the 4th pizza, this fraction. And you know, by looking at this, can you tell me the each pizza is divided into how many equal parts?
3.
5.
3.
3, not 5. The denominator is 3. जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है उतने ही पार्ट्स में हर पिज्जा को डिवाइडेड होता है. क्लियर? Are you clear with this, everyone? This
Yes,
means
Yes.
whole, complete pizzas. This, mute yourself, everyone.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Yeah, I will explain it
Because
again.
I'm not able to understood.
I also can't understand.
Suppose I give you this 6 whole. Whole will also be in the middle of this line. How we write the whole numbers? 6, then we write the fraction line, then we write whatever is the fraction given. Suppose this mixed fraction I have given you. So this we will read it as 6 whole 2 upon 3. 6 whole means 6 whole pizzas, and from the 7th one you have eaten 2 parts. And by looking at the denominator, we can say all the total 7 pizzas, because 6 whole you have eaten, all the 7 pizzas, each pizza divided into the 3 parts, because the denominator is 3. This is the denominator, this is the numerator, and this is your whole.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I say some that we can also know what is the question with the answer? 6
Yes.
multiplied by 3 is equal to 18 plus
Yes,
2,
yes.
20. So 20 upon 3
Yes.
was the
Laisha, can you give me any improper fraction example?
Okay.
Improper means the fraction which is not proper, where the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Okay. 14 upon 3.
Yes, 14 upon 3, she has given me the example. It is improper because numerator is greater. Why it is improper? Because from 3 parts, 14 parts are not possible. That is why this fraction is improper fraction. Kush, Ahuja, please, Kush Desai, please go and take the breakfast. You eating your t-shirt. So better you go and eat your breakfast. And why you can't sit properly in the middle of the camera? Why I see your half face every time?
Ma'am, I am proper.
No. Every time your half face is visible to me.
1 minute, ma'am.
Rishik, please turn on your camera.
Ma'am, can I give an example?
Ma'am,
No, wait. Now I will convert this into the mixed fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Wait, Laisha. Now this is improper fraction. Now I will tell you in this improper fraction, for convert it into the mixed fraction and find out how many whole pizzas you have eaten and how many part pizza. So when you divide this with the 3 in table of 3, 14 doesn't come. So 3 4s are
12.
4s are 12. What is the remainder when you subtract?
2.
2. So remainder is 2. So I told you how to now write it into how to assemble this in the mixed fraction. So where Ahana will tell me, Ahana, where the remainder will go?
Ma'am, remainder will be going into it's.
My dear students, if you are not getting it, please ask me. Because mixed fraction is very important fraction. If you don't understand, then it will create a problem for you.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Dev.
Ma'am, I'm coming.
Savisha, please mute yourself.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. The 2 will go in 2 upon 3, and the
2 will go in the numerator.
yes.
And what will be the denominator, Kiana?
Ma'am, the denominator will be 4.
कैसे 4? कहाँ से आया 4? I said no. जो denominator आपके question में will be the denominator in your answer also.
Okay, ma'am.
So what will be the denominator? This was your question. Now you are converting into the mixed. So whatever denominator in your question will be the denominator. 3. Now where the quotient will go? Bhakti. Bhakti, where this quotient will go?
Ma'am, the whole one.
Whole. The quotient will always in the whole. Remainder always numerator. Denominator remains same. Only the position of these two you need to learn. Numerator and the whole. So quotient is always the whole and remainder is always the numerator. Now when you read this, Rishik, how you will read this fraction? From improper, we have converted into the mixed fraction. Now read this mixed fraction. कैसे read करोगे ऋषिक? खुश देसाई.
Yes, ma'am.
How you will read this fraction?
6 3s are.
No, read. 4 whole. Read after me, everyone. 4 whole.
4
Please,
whole.
Vanessa, I want your attention here in the class. How we will read this fraction? 4 whole. Repeat after me.
4 whole. 4
Yes. So this is which is here. The number which is here will be read as a whole. 4 whole 2 upon 3. So how many whole pizzas you have eaten here?
4.
Veer Patel, how
Ma'am,
many
4 pizzas.
4 whole pizza. And what about this part? This is eaten from the 5th pizza. Because after 5th pizza only will come, no?
Yes,
Yes or no? So this part which is eaten from the 5th pizza, and 5th pizza is divided into how many equal parts? 3. And from the 3, how many are eaten?
2.
So we can say 4 whole pizzas are eaten, and from the 5th pizza 2 parts are eaten. And by looking at the denominator, we can say all the 5 pizzas are divided into 3 equal parts. सारे pizzas जो थे वो 3 parts में ही divided थे. Right? 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Out of all are in the 3 pizzas. So this each part is 1/3. So all 4 pizzas completely eaten from the 5th pizza, done the 3 parts, but eaten only the 2 parts. From the 5th pizza, how much part is left now? Can anyone tell me?
One part.
One part. But how do you write in the fraction? 1/3. This is 1/3 which is left, which is not eaten.
1/3. 1/3 is
Got it, everyone?
1/3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain proper fractions also?
Proper fraction is the fraction which is proper, which is possible. Like out of 8 parts, you have eaten 6 parts. This is proper fraction. Which means total 8 parts means आप 6 parts दे सकते हो किसी को, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Which is possible, and which is not possible. Like you cannot give 25 parts out of the 5 parts. This is improper fraction. But we can give by converting into the mixed fraction. Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
A proper fraction which numerator is bigger than.
Numerator is smaller than the denominator. But don't learn these terms. Don't learn it. Understand it. Proper means which is possible. Proper fraction is the fraction which is possible. Where your mathematical language says the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Means denominator is greater than the numerator in the proper fraction. In the improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. This is improper fraction. This is the mathematical language, but I have explained you practically also how to see whether the fraction is proper or improper. Clear, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am giving you some improper fractions. Please convert them in your notebooks into the improper. These convert them into the mixed. So write the question in your notebooks. Convert improper fractions
Ma'am, I am coming in 1 minute.
into
I'm coming and taking my
mixed fraction. My dear, you need to be prepared when you come in the class. Convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Write the number 1. Five upon 3. Number 2. 15 upon 7.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, my dear. Number 3 question.
Ma'am, your board is blur.
My dear, this is 1 or 2 minutes. The network will be okay. It will come properly. Just check. Let me check the net again.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, you are not blurred.
Let me check the networks.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you tell me. Now it's
Ma'am,
coming.
Ma'am, Arnav called me. He said that he cannot join because his network is not there.
I cannot do anything with the networks. Is it clear now to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible. One sum is 5 upon 3, converted into the mixed. Second is 15 upon 7, converted into the mixed. Third, I am writing here up 8 upon 3, converted into the mixed. Fourth is 18 upon 4, converted into the mixed. 4 sums, please convert them and write the answer and tell me.
Can I write?
First step is to first divide. First step is to divide and then arrange them in the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varija.
Then the second one is 15 upon 7.
15 upon 7.
Ma'am, can I write with blue pen?
Write with any pen, but write fast. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I can say the first answer.
No, I want from the students those I know who face the difficulty. Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am,
The
can I use?
fourth one. Ma'am, I have one doubt that in the first one, you have written 5 upon 3. So we have to firstly divide 30 upon 5 now. Okay, ma'am.
5 with the 3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the fourth one?
18 upon 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Do fast and give me the answer, students, and raise your virtual and I'll ask from you all. Please, fast. Yes, Kavisha. Done the first one.
Yes, ma'am. 1 whole 2 upon 3.
1 whole 2 upon 3. 1 whole 2 upon 3. So we can check. Kavisha has given 1 whole 2 upon 3. She can check her answer also whether right or wrong. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 upon 3 means it's correct. So Kavisha, can you explain this? 1 whole 2 upon 3 means what?
Yes, ma'am. 1 whole pizza is eaten and there are one pizza. It is eaten whole, and the second pizza is eaten by two parts, and there were three parts.
Out of total 3 parts, eaten 2 parts. Very good. Yes, Varinya, can you tell me the
Can I give
second?
the second?
No, I know the students, those who can easily get the answers and they are doing really. But the others are just sitting and they after 10 minutes they will say, ma'am, I am not understood, which I don't want. Yes, Varinya, can you give me the second answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 divided by 15 is 7 twos are
15
14.
divided by 7.
Oh, sorry. 15 divided by 7 is 7 twos are 14. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1, and 1 minus 1 is equals to 0.
0 to will not come in
It
this.
will-
Remainder will come what?
1,
Remainder
ma'am.
will be? Remainder will be 1. But how I am going to write this into the mixed fraction?
Ma'am, we're gonna write 1. Then we're gonna just take the quotient, and we're gonna
Tell me how many whole and how many in fraction. What is the whole and what is the fraction? Kiana?
7. Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
Kiana?
ma'am, 2 whole 1 upon 7.
2 whole 1 upon 7. Kiana told that this is the conversion of this improper fraction. We can check also whether this is correct or not. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 plus 1 15. 15 upon 7 is coming. It is means it is correct. Kiana, can you elaborate it? Can you explain me what does 2 whole and 1 upon 7 means?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one second. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, means there are 3 pizzas.
Hmm.
2 whole means 3 pizzas, and 1 means
There are total 3 pizzas. This is agree. 2 pizzas the whole eaten. From
Yes.
the third pizza, how much part is eaten?
1.
Can someone instruct to Bhakti or and write that she has to leave and join again because she cannot hear me, or write in the chat box that she can leave and rejoin. So
is off.
yes,
उसमें ma'am, when the chat box is unavailable.
Chat box is not available.
not available. Messages record. No, it's available.
Hello, ma'am. Chat
Now it is. Now please check.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 whole 1 upon 7. 2 whole 1 upon 7 means there were total 3 parts. 2 whole parts, 2 whole pizzas have eaten, and from the third pizza, 1 part are eaten. And you know all
Ma'am,
the
I
3
cannot
pizzas.
hear you. R has 7 parts.
Yes, each pizza is having 7 parts. Very
Ma'am,
good,
like
Kiara.
this. Ma'am, so like this, 3 whole means 2 whole means there are 3 pizzas, and the third pizza is
Only 1 part is eaten.
yes, ma'am. Only 1 part is eaten, and every 3 pizza is of 7 parts.
Yes, each pizza
Ma'am, can I
is
say the
having
third
7 parts.
Okay.
Yes, who is saying me the third one?
Ma'am, Ahana.
Yes, Ahana. Give me the third answer.
Ma'am, third answer is 2. Ma'am, 2 whole. 2 whole and.
Ma'am, can I say
She's saying no. Let her say.
the fourth one?
First, here, mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, 2 whole.
2 whole. 2 whole, 2 upon 3. Is this answer is correct, students? How it is correct? We can check also. 3 multiplied by 2.
6 plus 2 8.
6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 3 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
can
please
I
give
say
me the
fourth
fourth one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
Here will give me. Here will give me the fourth one. Here. Give me the fourth one.
Yes.
Are you facing some network issue here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, give me. Who will give me?
Ma'am, you.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Okay, Deep will tell me. Wait. Priyag, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Of fourth one I got.
Okay, tell me.
I also can I?
4 upon
Deep, I will ask
Ma'am, I
something
also
else.
Two, 4 whole 2 upon 4.
4 whole 2 upon 4. You can check it also. 4 4 is 16 plus 2. 18 upon 4. So what does this? Can you elaborate it? 4 whole 2 upon 4 means what?
Yes, ma'am. 4 whole means there are total 5 pizzas. It is equally divided into 4 parts. I have eaten 4 parts, and out of the fifth
4 whole
pizza,
pizzas.
okay, 4 whole pizzas, and out of the last fifth pizza, I had only eaten 2 parts.
Very good. And 2 parts is also the half of the 4 parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So are you all clear with this? Can I erase this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Tell me, Rishik.
ma'am, I can't see the fourth one.
Fourth one was 18 upon, what was 18 upon 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It
Yes,
was
ma'am,
18
18
upon
upon
4.
4.
Write this, Rishik. Now we are going to learn, write it in your notebook, students, fast. Write the second question. Compare the fractions. If I write a fraction 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8, which fraction is greater? So which
Ma'am,
sign will
5
come?
upon it.
Children, in
5
your
upon
grade 4, in your grade 4, you will learn all the operations with the same denominator. When the
Ma'am,
denominator
like
is same,
fractions means.
yeah, with the like fractions only, all the operation, whether addition, subtraction, ascending, descending,
Ma'am,
comparing,
this
all
example we have to
fractions will.
write.
Can you let me speak, students? Then I will explain you. So, yes, Varija.
I know this, ma'am.
Very good if you know, good bacha. So if you in grade 4 you will get all the operations with the same denominator. When there is the same denominator, then you no need to worry. You need to compare from the numerator only. But when you go in the grade 5, you will learn all the operations with the different denominators. So the method is different in the grade 5.
Unlike.
Yeah, with the unlike fractions, and which we will teach you in the grade 5. Right now, only compare the numerator, which is greater, 5 is greater. So which sign
5
will come?
upon 8.
Greater than sign. So we read it as 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Write the next sum, and Yuksurana, you need to write it in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is so simple.
Yes. 11 upon 3. 14 upon 3.
Ma'am, 14 upon
11
What are you
upon
saying,
3
Kavisha?
is smaller
Wait,
than
wait,
14
wait,
upon
students, let us speak. Yes, Kavisha. Yes, you need to write this question. Compare the fractions. The first is done, everyone. Going to the next.
Ma'am,
Yes,
14
ma'am.
upon 3.
Yes,
Ma'am,
14 upon 3.
11 upon 3 is smaller than 14 upon 3.
Yes, so we read it as this is lesser than sign. 11 upon 3 is less than 14 upon 3. Automatically, when say we will say this is less, so this is greater. But you should know about the lesser sign and the greater sign. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I write the third one up?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What does this mean?
Ma'am is equal
Ma'am,
to.
what is the fourth one?
Fourth one is not there. After second, third only will come, no? I have not written the fourth till now. Can I raise the question only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the fourth one. Can anyone give me the fourth one example? Yes, you, Surana. Yes, Yug.
20 upon 15 and 14 upon 15.
So which is greater?
20 upon
20 upon
20
15
upon
is
15.
greater than 14 upon 15.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write in the chat box?
Now this is done. I'm going to give you the next question. Write the third question. Ascending and descending now. Arrange in ascending order. Or ascending order means what, Kiana?
Ascending order means big to small.
Big to
I
small.
can tell.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am,
Small to big. Small to big. Small to big, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Small to big.
Ma'am, Janya is.
Ma'am, today is
Where is
Janya's
Janya?
birthday.
Yes, where is Janya? Janya is not visible to me today.
Ma'am, I'm.
Happy birthday, Janya.
Happy birthday, Janya.
Happy birthday, Janya. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Janya.
Happy birthday, Janya.
Okay. Can we continue? Janya, say thank you to everyone.
Thank you.
Okay. So enjoy your day. Blessings with you. Okay, Janya. So now we are doing the ascending order. Ascending order, as Kiana said, small to big. Now I am giving you a group of fractions. Arrange them in the small to big. 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 4 upon 7, and 1 upon 7. So now when you arrange it, which fraction will come first? Navya, which
1
fraction will
upon
come?
7.
Navya?
Ma'am, can I?
I'm in the class.
Ma'am,
With Kasoria, which fraction will come first?
Ma'am, what is after 4 upon 7?
1 upon 7. Not visible to you? Now check. Dirg, tell me which fraction will come first.
Ma'am, I cannot. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6 upon 7.
6 upon 7 is the greater. Ascending is small to big.
Ma'am, can I say Rishik? So, ma'am,
1 upon 7. Rishik, second which fraction will come?
Ma'am, second will come 2 upon 7.
Hit Kasodia, which fraction will come next?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes.
Ma'am, 3 upon 7.
3 upon 7. And next, which fraction will
Ma'am,
come?
I can say now.
Dev?
Ma'am, 4 upon 7.
Yeah, meet 4 upon 7.
Ma'am, can I say?
6 upon 7. Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's too easy.
You just only see the upper number numerators, and the numerator which is smaller is the smaller fraction. Right? Opposite of it is descending order. Big
Yes,
to small. Opposite of ascending order is
big to small.
descending order, which is big to small. Write the next question.
Question 4, ma'am.
We have to
Question
write
number four.
in descending order.
Yeah. Now write arrange in descending order. Five upon six, 3 upon 6, 17 upon 6, 9 upon 6. So when you arrange them in the descending order, which will come first, Varija?
Ma'am, I also want to answer.
Yes, I will ask. Varija, tell me, then he will tell me.
First, after here, I can say.
First, Varija. Yes, Varija, please speak.
First, 17 out of 16.
17 upon 16. Don't say 17 out of 6. 17 upon 6. Yes, here. Next, which fraction will come?
Will come 9 upon 6.
9 upon 6. Yes, Laisha. Next, which fraction will come?
5 upon 6.
5 upon 6. Yes, Bhakti. Which fraction will come next?
3 upon 6.
3 upon 6. Now mute yourself. Got it, everyone? Ascending and descending order is clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Very easy.
So you have learned comparing the fractions, ascending and descending order of the fractions. You have learned how to convert the improper fractions into the mixed fractions. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So today I am going to send you the worksheet on that. One worksheet I will send where you have to identify the type of the fraction. Second worksheet I will send based on comparing and based on ascending and descending.
Okay, ma'am. That will be separate worksheets.
Yeah, one is Google form, one is worksheet.
So they will be separate of
Separate. And listen, where one worksheet which I will send where you need to identify the type of the fraction. In that worksheet, the last mixed fraction one, you will find that there is no line drawn on the mixed fraction. Just draw the line. Okay, it is by mistake the line, you will not visible to you the line of this. Like if it is written like this, 6 1 upon 2, line is not there. So don't think that it is what. So make a line by yourself. Clear, everyone? Got it? By mistake the line is not there, the fraction line is not there because of printing problem. So make a line and consider it as a mixed fraction. Clear, everyone?
Why tomorrow is not there HRM and reading class?
What? Yeah,
because of
from
PTM.
8th because of PTM. From 8th till 22nd of the
When is
Ma'am.
Fridays?
when
When is Diwali's holiday?
all posted in the classroom, Rishik.